Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna be making a no-bake, super nutritious and completely vegan dessert that is not only delicious but also full of healthy nutrients. We'll be mixing up a delightful blend of nuts, seeds and some incredible ingredients such as cocoa butter and coconut cream to create a raw chocolate layer for our cake. So if you're interested, let's get right into the recipe. Let's kick things off with almonds. I started with the whole ones, but you can use pre-shelled almonds if you prefer. For the second layer of the cake, we're going to use cashews. Cashews are a good source of healthy fats and minerals, such as magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium. It is crucial, though, to soak the nuts for a few hours in order to eliminate phytates, which are anti-nutritional compounds. Once soaked, let's peel the almonds. Now let's gather our ingredients: cashews, peeled almonds, biscuits, you can use the ones that you prefer, and dates. Let's create the base for our cake. In a blender, combine biscuits, almonds, dates, and agave syrup. Blend everything until you achieve a smooth texture. Now, pour the mixture onto a baking tray and flatten it with a spatula to create a uniform layer. Now, let's create the second layer. In a blender, combine the soaked cashews with some coconut cream and plant-based milk. Blend everything until you achieve a smooth texture. Now, pour the mixture over the previously created layer. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest in the freezer for at least 3 hours until the layers are completely solidified. While waiting, let's prepare the raw chocolate layer. This is very special because it's completely raw. The main ingredients are cocoa butter, coconut cream, a sweetener like agave syrup, and cocoa powder. Coconut cream is a versatile and nutritious ingredient that can serve as an excellent dairy-free alternative in many recipes. It's full of fats and nutrients that can benefit your health. Cocoa butter is a natural fat derived from cocoa beans. It's the key ingredient in chocolate production. First, we break down the cocoa butter cubes to reduce their size. You can use a knife to slice down the cocoa butter cubes. In alternative, you can blend them into a powder using a mixer. Pour the cocoa butter and coconut cream into a pan and gently heat them in a double boiler until completely melted. Be cautious not to bring it to a boil, just warm it up to melt the ingredients. Now pour the liquid into a blender. Add some agave syrup and blend everything. Gradually add the first half of the cocoa powder and blend gently. Add the remaining cocoa powder and blend again, but very gently. not too quickly, to prevent the chocolate from clumping together. At this point, take out the tray with the cashew layer from the freezer and pour the chocolate over it. It will solidify almost immediately upon contact with the cold cashew layer. Smooth it out and let it rest in the refrigerator for about half an hour. Here's the final result, and I can't wait for you to give it a try. Look at that amazing texture and the satisfying crunch of the raw chocolate layer. A perfect blend of flavors and textures, all vegan and full of healthy fats and nutrients. I hope you had fun following along with me in this cooking journey. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tasty recipes. I'll see you in another video. Bye!